is a luxury bag. I can't believe it. It's from Dillards. If you've never joined me before, my name is Jennifer. I upload 1 to 2 or 4 videos a week, depending how excited I am about something. Thank you for joining me. If you've never subscribed, please do so. Handbags are my thing. If you're into that, let's subscribe and be friends. And give this video a thumbs up, and always hit that notification down there, that notification bell, so you know when I've uploaded my next video. This is a completely surprise unboxing because I did not expect to do this. We went to Columbia, Missouri today because our dog was limping on her back leg for the last 3 weeks and decided to take her up to the University of Missouri Emergency Vet Clinic, which they are amazing. She's fine. She just has arthritis. So good turnout, but I had to wait about 1 hour and 45 minutes for her x-rays to be done, so I thought I'd skip over to the mall and check out Dillard's pre-loved vintage Louis Vuitton collection. This is from What Goes Around Comes Around, which is the first time I found out about this company was from Shopbop. So now Dillard's is doing the same thing. Okay, here we go. I have never even known this bag existed till today, and so we're going to unbox it. Here we go. This is a vintage Louis Vuitton Batignolles, and it is a vertical. So this comes in a vertical and a horizontal. After I bought this bag, I researched on YouTube, so it kind of went backwards. And I absolutely fell in love with this bag. I don't know why. It reminds me of a lot of the bags I've had in the past, and I was just drawn to it. First of all, as you know, the sheen on this is the type that I like. It's the shinier sheen of the canvas. The year was from 2006, so 2006, and it has a clasp to secure, and the inside is the brown fabric lining. It has a little pocket here on the front for you to put maybe a lipstick or lip gloss, and then it has a nice zippered pocket on the side, and so this goes all the way down the length of the bag, and there's no other dividers on the inside. You can expand or contract the size depending on what you want based on this buckle closure. I just think it's a gorgeous bag. There's no feet on the bottom. So here she is. I absolutely love her. The condition is perfect. There's wear on the patina, which I expect. And I kind of like, because then you know it's for real and not a fake, because the fakes sometimes are too perfect. There is, let's see if there's a little bit of wear on the leather, untreated leather on the edges, but none of the canvas has worn off. So this is in excellent condition. When I got in the car, I looked up what this bag was because I know I overpaid for it, because what comes around, or what goes around comes around, tends to be more expensive than things like Fashion File. So I know I totally spent too much money on this, but I absolutely love her, so I'm super happy. On Fashion File, I saw one exactly like this from 2007, so a year later, and she's like only $536, so you should grab her if you want her. This one is made in France, so I was like super happy about that. They have the Louis Vuitton made in France here. So that kind of made me feel better that I spent so much money on this bag, because the one on Fashion File is exactly the same, looks like exact same condition, and for a lot less. This one is, how much was this? $1,355, and it is in the vertical. And what I've seen on YouTube is that people oftentimes get this Batignolles bag in the horizontal, so it's just more horizontal and kind of looks like they've compared a lot to the MM in the Neverfull. So this would be the MM size. There's a PM size, which was super cute. I saw that too, but I'm really happy that Dillard's is having these now, and they're all luxury vintage bags, and now we know they're from What Goes Around Comes Around. So I wanted to introduce you to her, and then we'll be back on schedule. The next video is going to be a Rachel Zoe unboxing. I appreciate you all